You want some poop fingers? Poop fingers? Poop fingers. You fling them. You can fling them at mommy. You want to fling them at mom? Hmm? Maybe this would be a good trick for mom. Should we play a little prank on her? So as you can see, there's 4 of them. They're like smiley faces on there. Some are winking. This one already started marking it off, the white, so won't be more obvious that they're fake. We're gonna place these on the ground in strategic placement, and we're gonna get mommy when she comes home. It's gonna be like, pretend gonna be like cat poop. We're gonna set it up all like this. Yeah, cat poop. Like Cairo poop. Cairo's known to poop actually on the carpet. Right, Bubba? No, you don't ride Cairo. No. Come on, let's grab some of these and we'll place them. Come on, we're gonna meet mommy at the subway. Let's go. Where should we place them? We got the lights on, so as soon as she enters this way, maybe we can place them maybe here. Should we place them there? What do you think? Poops. Yeah, poops. You gotta strategically place them so they're not as obvious. Poop. Ew. Ew. How about that? No. What do you think? As soon as she walks in, she'll see him right there. She'll be like, "What is that, Cairo? Ugh, let's get rid of him." Is that how mommy's gonna react? It kind of looks real, don't it? She'll come in here. She's like, "Oh my God, Elia, what are you doing playing with the poop?" All right, we're gonna meet mom at the subway right now, okay? All right, we'll see you guys when we get back. Hopefully this works. You ready, buddy? Eli's got a video that he made.
Oh Lord. I thought the basketball one.
No, the little trip to Target that we made. Whoa.
Oh, you made a video trip with me.
What was that? Come on, short stack. Short stack of potatoes.
What?
Elia, let's go.
What?
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 What in the hell? Yeah, that's a joke. Is that a joke?
What is?
Is this a joke?
What is it?
Babe, is this a joke? It better be a joke.
It's a joke.
Babe, I'm getting so mad. Wait, is it a joke for real?
It looks real, right?
Is it a joke for real?
Yes, of course.
It better be a joke.
It looks real, right?
That is so
It's got little
gross.
faces on it.
That is disgusting. I was like, who did it? I was ready to spank some behinds.
Elia saw that up at Target.
Oh, that's so disgusting.
And it was like so random. It was just there.
Babe, can I take some to work with me?
Yes, I was going to take it to work with me too.